Hello friends, welcome to my next research video. Today we'll discuss an important issue which is raised by one of the subscriber. Actually, she requested to post a video about which conference to attend, how to select a good conference and workshop or FDP, or even how to attend certain conferences in foreign countries. That's what she asked. So this is the video for that. See, first of all, there are so many webinars and conferences, workshops are happening due to the pandemic in the online. So it comes just like that, it's a lot of things comes, it's free. And I see a lot of people simply, they attend conferences, workshops for the sake of certificate. See, first thing, please decide which conference or workshop you need to attend. That should not be only for the sake of certificate. It should be the sake of learning. So I'll give you some 3 parameters you need to follow to select good conferences, workshops and seminar or webinar, whatever it may be. Number 1, which institution it organizes the workshop or webinar, because institution matters. Certain institution, they'll maintain a standard, they'll make sure that that particular program the program goes of a high quality. They never do it for namesake programs. So first thing, always earmark some institution which organizes institutions which organize wonderful conferences. You just to make a list and you select them. Number 1. Number 2, rarely even normal ordinary colleges also, they may organize with some good speakers. So that time, then next thing, first thing, look at the institution. Second thing, look at the speakers. Who are the speakers of the conference? And you can Google about them, how much they are good and how are they expert in their particular field. All those things will be able to see. In case a very established speaker comes to even normal college, because of their request, somebody may accept. So in such kind of time, obviously, whenever that particular person talks, you can join, because already you have listened to him already. He speaks very well and he makes good sense, means you can attend. Second thing, based on the speakers. Third thing, see, a lot of colleges, they organize like international conference, but there will be a one NRI, somebody from India, they'll work in Ethiopia or Oman or something. They'll come back to India for their vacation, maybe in the vacation time. So they'll use them and they'll mention that this is the international conference or workshop. See, if it is a truly international, you need to have a real international expert, probably someone from Europe or some other real international speaker comes there, any part, maybe Singapore, Malaysia. And it should not be from somebody who from India, they go and settle there and again come back. Because I don't underestimate them that they will not speak well. But what I mean, at least you make sure that speaker plus some 2 or more real international speaker comes to that conference, then you can select it. Otherwise, what will happen, you will not get a real exposure. It will be a namesake international, but actually it is only a national conference. That's why you have to be very cautious. So look at the speakers, how they speak and look at the profile and you will get some knowledge. And absolutely, see, when you have a true international speakers, you will get real exposure. Otherwise, the national speakers, they'll give, within the national level, they'll give beautiful, wonderful exposure. But if you want international exposure, you need to look for the real international speakers. Okay. And these are the 3 parameters you need to do to select the good conference. 1, caution, please do not attend anything for the sake of certificate. Nothing is going to happen. People are thinking that simply I add so many things into CV. Who is going to bother about those things? See, please, instead of attending 10 useless conferences, attend only 1 useful conference. You give your heart and soul to the conference. Be there in the conference full time. Don't attend 1 session, then you'll have work another session. No. You select some, that's what, you have to pick a conference in such a way that you spend really valuable time. And one more advice I used to give, in case if it is offline, not online, again, this institution, it will give you more. See, already I told you that you select the institution to attend the best conferences, even it applies to online. But in the offline, again, it is a wonderful opportunity for you to know their infrastructure, to know their system. You can meet a lot of people, you can make friends. That's why the conference should be kind of making new friends, making new connections, right? In your field of research or field of teaching, and then you'll establish what you call a lifelong relationship. You'll be able to establish a lifelong relationship with them. So offline conference is possible. Give more importance to that. Instead of attending so many, select one or two. Probably I would recommend semester once. Once in 6 months, you select one conference and workshop. In that way, you make sure that in a year, at least 2 to 3 you attend, so that you will stay updated. I hope this will be useful. And foreign conferences, have to select the good foreign conferences, how to go to the foreign country. Those things I'll explain in the next video. Until then, bye from Rajshekhar. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.